With a single cable, improve your workflow by connecting your Windows laptop to dual 4K 60Hz monitors and multiple peripherals at the unrivaled speed of 40 gigabits per second. This Thunderbolt 3 dock is the first docking station to use revolutionary Thunderbolt 3 technology and first to support two 4K Ultra HD 60Hz displays. Thunderbolt 3 USB-C ports enable you to access multiple displays and peripherals and can alternatively support a single 5K display. The always-on USB 3.0 fast charge and sync port provides convenient front access for your smartphone or tablet. The dock also includes two standard USB 3.0 ports. Learn more at StarTech.com.